What's up everyone? Before we get into the video, I just want you to know that I'm running a giveaway. It'll be in the cards. We just hit 300 subscribers, which is ridiculous. Thank you all for subscribing. So go and give that video a look as well as this one. And join the giveaway if you haven't already. It's pretty easy. So go give that a look and I hope you enjoy the video.
I'm bitching that I'm not finding your signal. You got me bending to your will. Take control, I can push a button and